Oh, you know when those good dogs come around the corner, it's time for grilling with the good dogs. Chef Klein, Chef Corkle. A little bit of an upsetting day. Tailgate of my truck was stolen earlier this morning. Just can't believe it. Some guard dogs, huh? Anyway, something that'll be cathartic to me and beneficial to you all. I'm gonna do a video. So what are we doing today? I have had a hankering for some French toast. The hankering is a gastro longing for a certain food. And, here on Grilling with the Good Dogs, that's what we do. So I have a hankering. I'm going to make the food. One thing you want is brioche bread. From the research I've done, this brioche bread, best stuff for French toast. So I'm going to get these other things ready, and I'll let you know what ingredients and measurements you need. Grilling with the Good Dogs. Now, because the Red Dragon is out at a ladies' brunch, she's not going to eat any of this. The recipe I'm following is going to call for about 8 slices of bread. I am not going to eat all that, or I should not eat all that in one sitting. So what I'm also going to do is show you how you prep this for freezing that you can eat at another time. What are we going to put in this thing? So you need the batter for your bread. 4 eggs, okay? 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. A tablespoon is 15 milliliters, so 45 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You know I'm going to use that Ronald Reginald's. That's the best stuff. And then optional here, I got half a teaspoon that I'm going to use of cinnamon, and then this McCormick apple cinnamon. So good. So good. Got to try it. That all is going to go in your batter, so let me get all that ready, and I'll show you what it looks like before it gets mixed up. We're pouring it into here for the bread. Okay, so that's everything without the eggs. You see, there's not much liquid in there. Put the eggs in there, beat it all together, and it's going to have to sit for a minute because I got to take the bottle to the little baby dragon. Okay, Grilling with the Good Dogs. Sorry, it's taking me a little bit of a while. Mix this up, mix the eggs up. It'll go in the fridge. When I'm done with that bottle, we'll be right back at it. Grilling with the Good. All right, the beast has been fed, so I can continue on with this. Grilling with the Good Dogs. So this is the consistency with all the eggs and everything whipped up, beaten together. It did go in the fridge, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in here. Nice big pan. I can probably do 2 pieces of bread at a time. I'm going to get this started to heat up and put a little bit of olive oil on it, spread it all around, give the whole pan some love, and the bread will go from here to the pan. Flip it. I'm thinking like 3 minutes aside, but let me double check that. It's going to be at a medium to low heat, I think. Let me double check all that. It's been a while since I've read it. Been distracted today. So yeah, like again, this brioche bread, I would have loved to have cut it myself and make it really thick, but this is what they had at the store. Maybe another time. We'll see. Get this all mixed up. Those chunks is the cinnamons that we have in there. The smell is amazing, so I'm excited for it. Let's get to it. Grilling with got the pan hot. I actually used vegetable oil, not olive oil. I think canola oil would probably be better. I just don't have any right now. So here's the mixture. There's the bread. Got 8 pieces. We'll see how long that lasts. I'll do 2 at a time usually here, but I think right now I'm just going to show you with 1. I'm told that it soaks up everything really nice and fast. You want to get all the edges, front, back, side to side, everything. And yeah, I'm going to say 3 minutes on each side. So there's 1. Get another one on there. When I'm off camera, I'll probably do 2 at a time, both hands. I just got the hand on the phone right now. There's the other one. I made a huge mess just there, so let me clean that up. We're going to give this thing, like I said, 2 minutes or so, 3 minutes about, so 12:06. See what happens on Grilling with the Good Dogs. Okay, so we got some over here. Let's flip these. Looking scrum-diddly-umptious. There's some that are done already. These 2 are soaking up the very last bit. I mean, that bread soaked it up good. I don't know how good those are going to come out. And here's a finished product. Let me get some love on that real quick. Yeah. I'm going to test this out here in a minute. Oh, the beast is upset. I have to go get her in a second. So yeah, we'll try this out. See how it is. Grilling with the Good Dogs. Not worth crying. All right. Let's try some of this out. Should be pretty good, I think. That hits the spot. I mean, that is right on the money. It's exactly what I've been craving. So happy. Try to get some of these blueberries. Come on. And it falls apart. Good stuff. All right. Oh, that's so good. This was so worth the time and effort. And it wasn't that much time and effort. One critique, the amount that we made, I think could only do like 6 of these things good. Let me finish eating this. It's going to be delicious, and I'll show you how to store these things and freeze them. There's one of the chefs right now, grilling with the good dogs. All right, so like I said, my critiques of the recipe are probably 3 to 2 minutes is good for the cooking on a medium heat. Again, my gas is pretty high and hot, but we'll see. So that one came out okay, but yeah, there just wasn't enough batter on one of these. But anyway, what you want is some wax paper and foil, okay? So I'm just going to put a slice of wax paper, or a piece of wax paper in between each one of these. Got a foil underneath it. Wax paper on top. Now I'm going to wrap the foil around it. It's going to be hard with just one hand. So let me get this on there. I'll show you what it looks like, and then it's going to go in the freezer, and it's done. Whenever I want French toast again, I got at least 3 good ones. There's one in the or at least 2 good ones. There's one at that bottom one. Might be a little dry. We'll see. Grilling with the good dogs. Good time. All right, there it is. That's going to go in the freezer. Grilling with the good dogs. Like I said, it was absolutely delicious. Everything I was hoping for. Be sure to use, that Ronald Reginald vanilla and that McCormick apple cinnamon. And yeah, I think maybe 6 slices of brioche. That will go great. 8 is pushing it with the 4 eggs and the ingredients I gave, with the measurements I gave you. So play with it. I don't know. That seems like a lot of material to use for just 6 slices. But it was good. It was delicious. It changed it up. Add some fruit to it, and it makes a great breakfast. So grill with the good dogs. Hope you all enjoyed it. And here's the chefs right here. Stars of the show. Where have y'all been all day, dogs? Where have y'all been? Chef Klein? Chef Corkle? Y'all been taking care of your little sister? Yeah. Grilling with the good dogs. There's the logo, but there's the stars. Hey guys, it's me, the Fat Dad. Just want to let y'all know, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos here on YouTube. But if you want to see more, we actually have a Snapchat where you'll see a lot more of the uncut stuff. The final product is what ended up on YouTube, but a lot of bloopers, mistakes, and experiments happen on Snapchat, so check us out there. You can find that on our Instagram page, where if you follow our Instagram, you'll see candid pictures of the dogs, throwback pictures, and a little bit about each one of the recipes that we put up here on YouTube. So give that a try. That's Grilling with the Good Dogs on Instagram. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the videos.